Hello investors and welcome back to Just Randy Stocks. During this video I wanted to do an update on Redwire, who's supposed to go public through a SPAC play, and I've already covered Redwire in pretty good detail and the numbers just look great. And for a SPAC, for a company that's coming to market, that's already profitable, that has such a long-standing relationship with NASA and is practically on every single mission, I just thought it was incredibly interesting. And Virgin Orbit, which is also going public through way of SPAC, just selected, this news came out today, Redwire to provide digital engineering to support rapid development. So I thought that that was a good news update. So Virgin Orbit is possibly getting a lot of attention out there. So this is the next big SPAC play, I believe. But Genesis Park Acquisition Corp. So that's what it's trading under right now. And the ticker symbol, of course, is going to change, but you can scroll through here and just go straight to the company's website, get the highlights, and you can see approximately 280 million of total backlog. They've got 220 million of bids submitted and awaiting decisions. They are Q1 2021 revenue of 36 million and a full year's revenue outlook of 163 million, already positive, cash flow positive. Today with a substantial margin improvement. I mean, the numbers here just look really good. So I would probably let this one launch first. I don't know that I would jump in on it early. There's just been so much speculation around these SPACs. So one to keep on your watch list. They are currently right now August 24th to August 26th in this International Powder Bulk Solids Conference and Exhibition. And you can see it's got just a whole slew of people from food and beverage all the way to aerospace. Now, of course, for those of you that aren't familiar, this is an aerospace play. And just for those of you that didn't know, I was in aerospace for a number of years where I was both a mechanical planner and an avionics planner. And, it was a great time. It was absolute, very professional organization to come from. I was there at Gulfstream, then moved to work in corporate audit in Honeywell, and then started doing this channel just about 5 months ago. So if you haven't had a chance to look at this Redwire, the Future of Space 36 Space Symposium, it's a good recording. You can find this on YouTube, and it just has this back and forth between Andrew Rush, who is the COO of Redwire, and Jim, the former NASA administrator. You could just see the relationship that these guys have, and they're talking about, this infrastructure that's got to take place in space, and how Redwire is playing such a large role. Be sure to keep this one on your watch list. There might be room in your portfolio for space gold, such as the future Home Depot of space, which I believe is Redwire. That's all I got for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.